Hey there folks at YouTube land, Bizzarefurhead once again. And maybe I'm just an uneducated dingus or something, but here we have the John Deere L130, you know, the giant pile of crap that I don't like. And so today I was struggling on adjusting the deck on this thing. Now, if you're like me in any way, shape, or form, you're used to the brass colored eye rod that comes down and that you need a deep socket under it to adjust. If you look online on it, basically anywhere on YouTube or Google, that's what most people have on these mowers. I don't know if there was a series change or a model change. You know, John Deere's famous for doing those series changes. But what this John Deere mower has instead is a sliding plate adjustment. As you can see there, you see the two cotter keys and the bolt. It's actually a carriage bolt that goes through to the other side. And what you do is you loosen the bolt up and then you're able to adjust this. And you're able to do that on both sides. So what I had to do over here was I had to loosen both those up and basically raise the deck all the way up to the highest maximum capacity for this thing to cut. Because I was silly pants and let my deck grow way too out of control. And so anytime I was trying to cut where it was, now keep in mind though, those sliding plates were basically all the way down, so the deck was riding on the ground at a constant state. And it didn't really matter what height you choose it from. It could be all the way up at 4 or all the way down at 1. But it would drag and it would basically stall out the mower with that new clutch I put on there. So I actually found it on a riding tractor forum. God, I do love forums so much because you get so much more information than actually the John Deere manual. Because the John Deere manual says to adjust the eye bolts too, but that's getting off the track here. And so I wanted to come out here and tell you, hey, if you're like me and having issues with your mower stalling out, if it is a L100 series or an L130 series tractor, you're going to want to adjust your deck by using these sliding plates. Now, unfortunately, I had to break out the big guns and use my electric 1/2 inch impact to loosen up both those carriage bolts. They were on there pretty tight enough to where my 1/4 inch Milwaukee 18 volt impact couldn't even budge them. So hopefully that's not you on your part, and hopefully they will come off for you. But I was under the understanding that I would find those brass colored eye bolts under here to have a precise adjustment tool instead of just a bracket with a slot in it, as you can see here. But I'll make a second video basically showing you guys the eye bolt that I'm talking about so that you guys know too. And hopefully you guys don't encounter the same problem that I encountered. As you can see, when the mower would stall, it chewed up that belt real nice, but everything seems to be intact and it's not shredding itself yet. So again, wanted to tell you guys about a little update here. The mower seems to run fine for the ginormous piece of green crap that it is, but again, that's getting off the point. I hope you guys have a great day out there and stay frosty. Again, this is Bizzarefurhead signing out.